This month for the Smash Our Stash collaboration, we were to smash fibers. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. For the Smash Our Stash collaboration for the month of October, we were to use fibers. So this could include yarn, string, fabric, twines, threads of any kind, just anything that constitutes some type of fibrous, soft material kind of thing. So there's a playlist in the description box below for the other participants in the collaboration this month, so please be sure to check that out. But I have a couple different projects here. Earlier this year, I think it was on a scrap month or a free choice, then I used scraps, I don't know. But I took a bunch of scraps and turned them into bookmarks. So sometimes they are backed on like a cardstock, not a cardstock, some chipboard, scrap chipboard pieces. Other times I kind of backed them on themselves, depending on how thick the paper was. So a couple different varieties here, but I had made them and then I didn't finish them. Like I had just done the bookmark part, but I hadn't added the tassels. So as the year went on, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to save these for this month and use them as my fiber option. So I went through all of the bookmarks and just added some yarn tassels to them. I've got some like different colors of yarn. It kind of just depended on the bookmark itself. I've got some black ones, brown, gray, tan, orange, pinks, whites, just kind of a wide variety of them. But I just went in and finished off the bookmarks, and I did smash some yarn. Like I had like some bigger yarn, but I tend to thrift a lot of my yarn because this is like, I use it for crafting. I don't like crochet or knit with it. So I thrift it, and I had a bag of these little bundles. It's like they may have came in a kit of some kind. It wasn't like a full roll or ball of yarn or anything. So I did smash a few of these. I think black, the pinks, the orange, and the gray maybe. So I smashed a few of these. This was the only one I had left because it was another orange, and you can only use so much orange. But then I did use up a good amount of the white. I think I used half of the bundle of the white that I had left, which was a big roll. So I did manage to work through some of the yarn in completing these bookmarks. And then also as another project this month, or over the past month, I worked on restocking garlands. These are just wood bead garlands, and they are fun. Like if you have a shelf, you can kind of use them to decorate around items on your shelf or tiered trays. But I made a whole bunch for like a bunch of different seasons, and these are the ones that I had left that I could easily grab after the craft shows we've already had this month. But I use twine, so I don't know if you can see in there, just some jute twine, thread the beads on, and then I add a yarn or a twine tassel at the end. So sometimes I add ribbon, depends on the theme. Halloween, I did more of a ribbon tassel. I don't have any more of those left. But then fall and most other times, I do a yarn or a jute twine tassel, and then sometimes I change up the colors of the tassels. So that is another use of fiber that I have for you this month. So the fun thing about this collaboration is that we are all to use the same type of item in our projects, but our projects differ drastically amongst those that are participating. Any project goes as long as you use the prompts for the month. So be sure to check out that playlist to see the other variety of projects created this month. As always, I thank you so very much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.